Here are a few asanas and benefits for liver detox. Yoga stimulates liver function, promoting detoxification and overall health. It helps eliminate toxins from the body, promoting a healthy liver and digestive system. Yoga energizes the body, reducing fatigue and promoting overall well-being.
Right foot goes over the left leg. Cross it like this. Listen carefully because you might get confused. Right hand goes behind you. Left arm goes up to the ceiling. Bend at your left elbow. Hook and twist. Look to the back of the room in your Ardha Matsyendrasana. This pose is great for your digestive system because it's quite literally twisting out all of the inner organs, allowing any toxins to be released. Look even further, try to look to the back of the room for another 2. And for 1, slowly coming back to center. Unravel, and we're doing the same thing on the opposite side. So left foot goes over the right leg, left hand goes back, right hand goes over the left knee, hook and twist. You'll feel this beautiful stretch on your back. Try to look to the back of the room, spine is straight. For another 3, for 2, without realizing we store so much tension and tightness in our backs. Release it all out. And for 1. Slowly unravel, coming back.
Come to the top of your mat, keep your feet together, keep your hands by the side, stand tall. First let you breathe in and out. Take a deep breath, fill in your lungs, expand your chest, exhale all the air out. So we're going to continue the same breath throughout the practice. So as you inhale, take your hands up, interlock your fingers, stretch up. Exhale, you're going to bend towards your right side. Inhale, you'll come back up. Exhale, bend to your left side. Inhale, you come back up. Exhale, you turn to your right. Inhale and arch your back on your right. Exhale, come back to neutral spine. Inhale here. Exhale, turn to your left. Inhale, arch to your left. Exhale, back to neutral spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, slowly drop your hands behind you. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest, lift your head and look up. Exhale, you bend your knees, taking your forehead towards your knees. Now we'll do this one more time. Inhale, take your hands up, interlock. You're keeping your hands interlocked, lift your chest and arch your back. Exhale, you bend your knees and take your forehead towards your knees. One more time. Inhale, you lift up, straighten your legs, push your hips forward, arch your back. Exhale, bend your knees. If you feel keeping your knees straight is possible, try and keep your knees straight and take your forehead towards your knees. Now slowly you're going to release your hands.
Focus on long exhale. Now keep the knees close to your chest. See if you can wrap your elbows around your knees. So you're giving yourself a nice tight hug here. Exhale, see if you can lift your forehead up towards the knee. Inhale, come down. Pawanmuktasana. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, down. If holding the elbows is too difficult, you can just use your palms. Exhale, lift up, stay here. Relax the shoulders, make sure you're not tensing the neck. Inhale, slowly bring your feet down to the mat and relax. And then from here, slowly walk your hands to the front of the mat, shifting your weight. And just allow your hips to rest onto the mat. Allow your toes to relax and allow your hips also to relax down into the floor. If this is a bit hard and it's straining your back, gently just bend your elbows so that your hip is comfortable on the floor. From here, gently look up to the ceiling, roll the shoulders back, going into your cobra pose. You'll almost feel the stretch right from your chin all the way down to the pelvic region, especially on the belly. Stretching it out and staying here for another 3. Remembering to breathe. For 2. Last little breath here. And for 1. Slowly bring your head back and gently bend your elbows. From here, slowly look towards your right heel, almost like you want to spot your toes. And then you'll feel this nice stretch on the left side of the body. Stay here for a few counts. Good. And slowly come back to center and move into the opposite side. So bending your left elbow, look to the left heel. And if that's easy, you can even look towards the left thigh. Stretching the entire right side of the body. Staying here for 2. And for 1. And slowly coming back to center, straightening the elbows, looking up to the ceiling. And then gently bringing your chest down to the earth. You can adjust so that you're at the center of the mat. Take a minute here to just lie down, catch your breath if you've lost it.
You're going to start by placing your right palm on your belly. Let's understand the breath first. So as you inhale, you find that your lower belly expands. As you exhale, you find that your lower belly contracts. Make sure you're not doing the opposite, right? Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, it contracts. One more time. Inhale, belly expands. Exhale, belly contracts. Now, Kapalabhati uses short, forceful exhalations. So, you're going to exhale forcefully through the nostrils and you're going to keep the mouth closed completely. Inhale. Start to exhale forcefully through the nostrils. Once you're comfortable with this exhalation, I want you to combine it with contracting your abdomen every time you exhale. Inhale, exhale and draw the belly in. You can use your palm to push the belly inwards. Make sure you're not doing the opposite here again. Inhale, let's try one more time. Pushing the belly in, forceful exhalation. Once you're comfortable with the forceful exhalation combined with drawing and sucking the belly in, you're going to combine this with one more aspect. When you suck the belly in, you're also going to draw up your anal muscles. So, two things are going to be combined here, drawing the belly in and drawing up your anal muscles and forceful exhalations through the nose. When you begin your practice of Kapalabhati, keep the space between every exhalation a little longer. Try not to go too fast. Avoid this kind of a practice. Maintain a very moderate space. Inhale. This will be a perfect pace to go at. So we're going to try drawing the belly in and drawing up your anal muscles at the same time. Let's do 8 forceful exhalations, moderate pace. Inhale. Begin. Relax. When you are very comfortable with this technique of drawing up your anal muscles and contracting the abdomen and the forceful exhalation, you can start to speed it up a little bit, and from 8 exhalations, we can push it to 15 or 20 or even 30 repetitions. So let's try 20 exhalations at one stretch. Take a deep breath in, let your palm continue to stay on your belly and begin. 20. relax. Once you're comfortable with 20 or 30 exhalations this way, you can also advance your practice by changing the arm position in which you do Kapalabhati. So instead of placing your palms on the knees or your palm on the belly, you can lift your arms up from the sides, interlock your fingers above the head and do the same practice. Exhale and bring your hands down. If this is also very comfortable for you and you're also able to increase the speed of your practice and maintain the same 30 counts, you can do an alternative arm position, which is taking your palms on the opposite shoulder blades. Exhale and relax. When you're able to do 3 or 4 rounds of 30 exhalations each, then you can start to combine the rounds, eventually doing about 108 exhalations at one stretch in one arm position, or you can continue to change the arm positions as you do these 108 repetitions. So this is how we start from a very basic Kapalabhati practice and progress to an advanced level, combining with the anal contraction and changing the arm position and also increased number of repetitions at one stretch. I really hope this video was helpful in understanding Kapalabhati Kriya.